In Lua, input-output operations are crucial for interacting with the console. IO.write allows you to output text to the console, while IO.read enables you to receive input from the user. Let's explore how these functions work and how you can leverage them to create more interactive Lua programs. While both print and IO.write are used for outputting text to the console, there's a key difference between them. Print automatically adds a new line character after each output, making it convenient for displaying separate lines of text. On the other hand, IO.write does not automatically add a new line, allowing you more control over the formatting of your output. This subtle difference makes IO.write ideal for scenarios where you want to display text without starting a new line. In the first example using print, each call to print outputs text on a new line, automatically adding a new line character at the end of each string. In the second example using IO.write, both hello and world are output on the same line because IO.write does not automatically add a new line character. It's up to the programmer to manually control the formatting of the output. At the following example, IO.write outputs the prompt enter your name to the console. Local name IO.read reads input from the user, allowing them to enter their name. The entered text is stored in the variable name. Next, IO.write outputs a greeting message, including the entered name. The double dot operator concatenates strings, and \n adds a new line character to start a new line. IO.read is used to capture input from the user. It reads input from the console, allowing users to enter text or data, which can then be stored in variables or processed further in the Lua script. Remember, the \n represents a new line character in Lua. When used within a string, it signifies the start of a new line in the output. Input-output operations are essential for creating interactive programs in Lua. They enable communication between the program and the user, allowing for dynamic interaction. This interaction enhances the user experience, making programs more versatile and user-friendly.